KYLAO MBOBU kuraswa masasi imeyo mucho Nairobi nsemeria ya karani NIGO obono ABAWAKILI mensi ya Kenya LSK bakorau no muraiwe kiama kiriko ipakalozo msiuka amo no muraiwe kiama kia LSK mayense Faith Odhiambo beso kiri na kwikiriboro Ekeombe asebono NIGO basabire inga egitambo kiarongo koirwa erikonyora kubwata abaria bakorete Ekeombe kioboiti wo mwakili oyu okwana amo nabarikia mwana mayi kalonza amana Faith bamochiriboro okugenderera goturumbo kansi kubarendi anene mayensemo oya Nairobi asamutuko.
Democracy. We are here to tell the police and President Ruto and everybody who is a state officer that they are governed by Constitution 2010. And what has happened today, led by the Law Society of Kenya, Madam President, and the President of the Chairman of the Senior Bar Council, Philip Murgo, is absolutely critical. We are saying this country must go back to the rule of law. What has been happening now is the rule of gangsters. I don't know whether some of our leaders learned what is happening in Haiti. By the way, I must remind you, Haiti is a black country. Haiti was one country that fought for our independence, contributed significantly to the independence of this country. But it's a story for another day. Today, we are telling the police the perpetrators must be brought to book expeditiously. Whether it is William Ruto or whoever who is responsible for the killing of KYLAO must be brought to book expeditiously. And we are saying KYLAO represents so many other fallen Kenyans. Lest it be said that lawyers are only concerned about one of their own. We are concerned about every Kenyan who has been failed by police bullets, sometimes masquerading as people on motorbikes, people who meet and plan to kill others. Lawyers must be allowed to go to their places of work, to the courts of justice, without let or hindrance. So we are here to stand in solidarity with the family of KYLAO Mbolu and every other Kenyan who has suffered injustice, who have been failed. I heard Philip Murgo speak very strongly. He said wale ambao walimuua KYLAO pia na wao wanyongwe, kwa sababu lazima kuwe equality before the rule of law. Kama ni police bearing batons na kusema ni goons na police pia wafichuliwe, hatutakubali kamwe. Nchi hii izorote kidemokrasia, izorote kwa kisha kila mwananchi analala vyema, anapata ulinzi ambao anahitaji chini ya katiba yetu.
Petition was received by the OCPD for Vigilance House, and I will read just the prayers of our petition. One, to undertake a speedy, impartial and transparent investigation into the assassination of Advocate MBOBU Matthew KYLAO and ensure that all perpetrators and accomplices are brought to justice. Secondly, to provide regular public updates on the progress of the investigations to reassure both the legal profession and the public at large. Third, to implement urgent protective measures to guarantee the security of advocates across the country, particularly those handling sensitive matters. Fourth, to strengthen firearm control and accountability mechanisms to prevent misuse of weapons by unauthorized persons. And lastly, to engage in collaboration with the Law Society of Kenya in designing long-term strategies to ensure the safety and independence of the legal profession.
Thank you. Thank you.